I'm going to try this glow cushion. It costs 1,200 ringgit. Memang cantik gila. This glow
Wait.
cushion.
1,000 what? Wah, gila, you beli apa?
Glad to glow.
Just 1,200 ringgit? Why you beli macam tu? Why you beli brand apa yang Chanel ke Dior? Why?
But it's really good. Okay lah, 1,200
What brand is it?
ringgit. Glad to glow.
Takkan mahal macam tu? Gila.
Trust me, memang cantik gila. Dia nampak macam kaca-kaca.
I trust you. Memang cantik. You pun cantik. Tapi 1,200 for that? Kray-kray.
So it's worth it. Walaupun dia bukan... Dia very easy to apply. So it just glides through your skin. Tengok sangat senang. See? So easy to apply.
Okay, 4,000 tu. Dah siap bagi tahu tengok.
Okay baby, I on the left side. It glides through your skin. Senang gila nak apply. Untuk siapa-siapa yang tak pernah make up macam Tika, this is so nice. Oh, wow. I love dia punya effect. Memang cantik gila. And glowing. Like literally glow cushion. Super glowing. Okay, babe, what do you think?
One more coleslaw, What do you think?
What do you think?
Oh, macam ni. Okay.
It's really kaca.
Shine
You
kaca.
can feel my face.
Yeah.
Like a doll.
Macam ni lah, worth it. Okay, actually, I know why it's so expensive now.
Okay, I'm just going to get ready everything, then I can go out with you.
Nice. Okay, I'll wait for you.
Cantik gila. See? I love the glow. Literally glow cushion. So glowing.
Okay,
Cantik
babe.
kan, Bi?
Go buy some more for yourself.
Oh, seriously?
Good. Kalau bagus, beli. Nah.
Babe, actually it's not 1,200. I'm just kidding.
Ni berapa?
Most probably dalam RM40 macam tu je.
You scam I lagi lah. Apa kalau macam tu, I pun scam balik lah. Ambil ni je. You tambah lah RM39 tu. You tambah sendiri lah. Asyik scam I je.
I'm so ready for dinner. Glowing, glowing foundation. Glowing cushion. Yeah.